Welcome to this video about the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, the phone that offers a flagship experience. The phone is slim, weighs just 179 grams, and is rated IP68, meaning it is protected against water and dust. Enjoy the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus screen, which provides vivid colors and a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. The Samsung Exynos 1680 processor runs fast, and the phone offers up to 256 GB of storage. Games and apps open quickly with 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM. The main camera takes 50 megapixels photos, and the ultra-wide lens captures 12 megapixel scenes. Optical image stabilization helps keep your videos steady. The front camera is 12 megapixels and records 4K video. It also features a screen flash to brighten dark rooms. The 5000 mAh battery lasts all day, and 45W charging can fill 60% of the battery in just 30 minutes. The phone runs Android 16, and Samsung promises 6 years of updates, keeping your device secure until 2032. Compared to the Galaxy A37, the Galaxy A57 offers more storage, lighter weight, and faster 45W charging. The 8 GB plus 256 GB model costs 56,999 rupees, and the 12 GB plus 256 GB model costs 62,499 rupees. You can buy it now at the Samsung shop or Amazon.